What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another live stream from the Scalar Learning Channel. This is Huzefa, as per usual, coming to you with more SAT math content. All right, so what's up, everybody? Hope you had an awesome Labor Day weekend. I'm just checking the sound, making sure we're good to go. Here we go. All right, yeah, we're good. Okay. So first and foremost, I wanted to say a couple things at the start. Number one, I apologize because I haven't made content in over a week. And the reason why is because I was in Michigan visiting my parents for about a week and a half, which was super cool. Got to see some family, got to see some friends, and that was awesome. But when I do travel, I don't have my setup, and so I wish I would have been able to make some content that was ready to roll for you guys during the last week and a half. But I didn't. It was such a mad dash to get all that content out for you guys with all those live streams. So it is what it is, and I apologize. But we're back. We're back in action. We're going to make more and more content. We're working on the SAT course to make it picture perfect and amazing to help you guys with this October SAT. So that's that. What's up, Anuj? What's up, Pelumi? So anyways, we're back in action. We're ready to roll, and we're continuing with this mini test series, which I love. And by the way, if you guys are unfamiliar, this is the 10th one. So the mini tests are what I got loaded up right here. They're super awesome. They're a mixed bag of review topics, which are amazing. And we're going to do it. We got time, no calculator. Without further ado, let's begin. And by the way, I'm going to do a better job of scheduling. I know I scheduled everything out for that whole review period leading up to the SAT, and I think it was great. We had so many people on for the last stream. What's up, Laura? What's up, Awab? And so that was really cool, and we're going to try and do a better job. What's up, Sana? Oh, awesome. Well, if you're in LA, Sana, let me know. Would be happy to meet you as well, or anybody that, that's ever in the area and whatnot is interested in some SAT help, ACT help, All right, here we go. Yeah, Friday is the scores. We're going to do an episode on Friday as well to talk about that. Okay, without further ado, we're going to start in. Hold on 1 second. They updated this version. I hope I got this right here. 3, 2, 1. Let's do it. Oh, yeah, and obviously, for everybody that took it in August, I wish you the best of luck, and I hope my videos and my content helped. Here we go. A piece of glass with an initial... let's zoom in a little bit. A piece of glass with an initial temperature of 99 degrees. Let's zoom out. It's too much. There we go. 150 is actually good. 99 degrees is cooled at a rate of 3.5 degrees per minute. So initial is 99, so that should be this, and then it's cooled, meaning it goes down. So this one's out. B looks right. It's got to be B. Currently, a piece of copper with an initial temperature is heated at 2.5. It's heated at 2.5. So this is this. That's 2.5 positive. So that's the winner. How do I do this? B. Boom. Done. Next. Which is the following expression equivalent to? Okay, first of all, the parentheses are doing nothing here because there's no minus to be distributed or anything. So I'm just going to remove that. So check it out. It becomes x squared. Oh, in my preview window, it got really blurry. Please let me know if it's blurry right now, but I think I hope it's okay. Hold on, let me just make sure. Why is it so blurry on the preview? 1 second. Is it? It is 11:30 here. Hold on. Just checking. Okay, it's not blurry. We're fine. I don't know why the preview window looks so blurry. So then we got x squared minus 2x plus 1. I just burned some really valuable time, but hopefully we should be okay. 2x plus 1. So now we're going to combine like terms. These obviously cancel out their opposites, so it's 2x squared, and it should be a plus. It kind of got wonky. And then 1 and 1 is 2, so 2x squared plus 2c is the winner. Boom, done. One of the rules in public speaking contests is the contest requires to speak as close to 5 minutes, 300 seconds as possible. Contestants lose 3 points for each second they speak either over or under 5 minutes. Which experiment will locate to determine the number of points a contestant loses if she speaks for X seconds? It's going to be the number that they lose. It's going to be this one. I've seen a question like this, so this is very, very familiar. But here's the reason why. So we're talking about, they say under or over. So really they're concerned about the positive difference between the amount they speak, X, and 300 seconds, which is the target. So this makes sense because every second, right? They lose 3 points for every second. So if it was 301, they should lose 3 points. That would be true here. Not here, not here, and not here. So you can kind of verify it like that. But A is the winner. Boom, done. Next, the gravitational force. Okay, this is just straight up isolating quantities question. They're trying to isolate the little m. Okay, multiply both sides by r squared. So FR squared equals GMM. Divide both sides by m or by GM because dividing by GM cancels that. And then little m equals FR squared over GM. C is the winner. Boom, done. You see, when you spot these isolating quantities questions, you don't even have to worry about reading the material. It's pretty cool. What value of x? Oh, wait, we got some people saying crazy stuff. No, you're out, my dude. And good thing I can see this. All right, cool. Let's just hide both of these guys. All right, so we got 2 this and equals this. What's the value of x to give a solution? All right, so first I'm going to combine. Oh, wait, can I combine everything? Hold on, let me think about it. Okay, let's combine the value. So 2 square root 9. Oh, by the way, we can simplify this. So square root of 9 is 3. So the 3 comes out. So it becomes 6 root x minus 6 equals 10 minus 2 root x. Now we can simplify. So I can add 6 to that side. So 16 minus 2 root x equals 6 root x. And then add 2 root x to the side. It's 8 square root x equals 16. Divide both sides by 8. Square root of x equals 2, which means x equals 4. Square both sides and x equals 4. I'm going to double check that by plugging in 4, 36. That's 6, 12 minus 6 is 6. Over here, that's square root of 4 is 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. 10 minus 4 is 6. So 6 on both sides. It's correct. Next. 9 minutes left. This, which of the following is equivalent to the above expression? Okay, so they didn't FOIL it out like they would normally do, I would imagine. Okay, here's what they're doing. They're putting the negative in the mix. Now it should only flip one of them, not both of them. So this flips 2 things, so this is out. Hold on one sec. We're getting all these crazy spammers. This is nuts. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, so this is out. We should only flip 1. Okay, next is this one. They flipped that one, and they flipped 2. They flipped all of them. That's out. You don't flip all of them. You just flip 1. That's 1. 1 minus B. They flipped 2 of them again. 1 minus A. 1 minus B. Wait a minute. Hold on a second. Oh, I see. Okay, let's back up. So here they flipped 1 and 2. That's definitely wrong. Here they flipped 1, 2, and 3. Actually, if you flip all 3, it would be correct because, okay, like you flip 1 and you bring a negative outside and they cancel out. Oh, yeah. Then you flip 2, it would bring another negative, so now it's negative. And then you flip 3, and that would make it positive. So actually, B is correct. Sorry, I was looking for something, I think, that I was expecting, and it was wrong. Okay, Michaela is a waitress who makes a guaranteed $50 per day in addition to tips of 20% of all her customer receipts. Okay, so it's like 50 plus... I know it's 50 plus something, and so these are out. It's probably this. There's probably this one because it's 20%. She works 6 days a week. Which of the following functions best represents the amount Michaela makes in 1 week? So of all her customer, in addition, 20% of all her customer receipts, T. Which of the following? So it doesn't say that T is the amount she makes per day or per week, but so this, I would say this is a problem with the question, but we're gonna assume that T is the amount she makes in. T is the amount is, sorry, I'm reading these comments. I don't know what is going on with these questions. Some of these people are just, I don't know. You guys, who are these people? Why would people come and spam a educational channel? Like, it's so confusing to me. I feel like there's something, it's something like mental, I guess, but I don't understand it. So hold on. Let me hide all these guys. Okay. Sorry about that. Did I hide the right person? Yeah, I did. Good. Okay. So anyways, we've got 50 plus points because I'm kind of making an assumption that this is everything for the week. So I believe, because that's 20% needs to be 0.2, not 20. All right, so there we go. Oh, wait a minute. I messed something up. And I went too quickly. All right, look at this. This is 50 per day. So she works 6 days a week, so it needs to be 300. Not 50. Wow, I almost made a mistake there. Okay, so it is D. And I think I saw that from Siddharth. So I apologize for that, guys. I'm not paying attention. Please forgive me. I do feel like it is what it is. I'm back after a while. So, okay, anyways, we got negative, and then it's an exponential. So right off the bat, I know it's a negative up front, so it's not going to go up like normal. It's probably going to go down like that. So as this increases, now so I see B is a viable option. And if I do plug in 0 for this, I should get -2. So B is a good option. Let's see. C would not be a good option because, again, it should be -2, not 2 when you plug in 0. And then this one, like I said, it looks good except for the fact at the y-intercept of being -2, but it shouldn't be going up. It should be going down. We can test another point. What would be another point? Let's try -1. So -1 would be 3. That would make this 3/4 because it's -x when you flip it. 3/4 of -2 is -6/4 -1.5. So -1 should be -1.5. That looks correct there. -1 is like negative something. It's incorrect. So B is the winner. Boom, done. Okay, number 9. Semicircle shown center is 0. I got to hustle. The diameter of the circle is 30, and yxz has a length of. So this has a length of 18. To the nearest hundredth of a radian, what is the measure A of YOZ? So this guy. Okay, so we do radian over 2 pi times 2 pi, and then the radius. This is the formula for arc length, arc length of the full, and then it's 2 pi times radius. Radius have that, it was 15 equals, and they say that has a length of 18. So check that out. Cancel. So now I've got 15A equals 18 divided by 15 divided by 15. There's no calculator, so 18 divided by 15 is boom, boom. We go. 15 goes into 1's 15, 3, 0, so it's 1.2. So they said to the nearest hundredth. So we got 1.2 and done. Hopefully I didn't make a mistake. So if it is the nearest hundredth, I guess we got to say 1.20, which is kind of weird. Make sure I didn't make any mistakes here. 1.2, because this would be pi. Yeah, I think it's right. Whoops. Okay, last one. 3 minutes left. For what value of A does the system and the variables have infinitely many solutions, meaning these guys have to be identical to be infinite. So check it out. I'm going to get this in identical form, so I'm going to subtract 4x from both sides. So -6y equals -4x. Divide by -6, and we get y equals -4 divided by -6 is positive 2/3 x. And then over here, if I divide by a, I get y equals 1 over, what am I doing? Y equals 1 over 4a x, because I'm dividing by a. And so these are supposed to be equivalent, so infinite. So the slopes, there's no y-intercept, but the slopes then have to be the same. So 1 over 4a equals 2/3, cross, 8a equals 3, divide by 8, and we get a equals 3/8. A equals 3 over 8. Okay, I think we got it. All right, here we go. 3/8. Let's do it. All right, boom. Look at that. We got them all right. Yeah. It's 12 a.m. in India. Well, thank you for joining. Obviously, you have the commitment and the desire to do really well if you're up here at this time studying and learning. So kudos to you. Okay. I don't know why this is glitching. But anyways, it looks like we got them all right. That's the key. Okay, kind of glitched there. I don't know what that happened. And that's it. You're asking, is cool math games a good way for preparing for the SAT? No, I would not say so. Yeah. Okay. You think SAT math is becoming harder? I mean, it's definitely changing, right? Like I think that they're modifying it, and they are making little tweaks to it to make it different. I wouldn't say that it's becoming harder per se. I think it's still all in the same ballpark, in that same conceptual window. So that's what I would say. Okay. Well, anyways, I hope this was helpful. If you did like this video, please click that like button. If you do want to see more from the Scalar Learning channel, make sure to click subscribe. I think we'll do some things differently next time. In terms of, hey, thank you, Kavit. I think we'll do some things differently next time in terms of the commenting, because I don't know what's going on and who these people are that are coming in and trying to spam the channel. It's so, like, again, the psychology of it just makes no sense to me. I don't understand people like that. But we'll make some changes so that it doesn't happen, doesn't distract you guys. And then we'll also do a stream this Friday when the test scores come out. We'll probably do something on the Discord server as well. So if you haven't joined the Discord server, it's in the link in the description below, so you can join. It's free. A lot of great stuff. Thank you guys so much for joining, and I will see you in the next video. And that weird person that want to know what's going to happen when you click end stream, I shall show you now. Here we go. 3, 2, 1.